One of the key pieces that integrates with the Enterprise Service Bus is going to be this concept of business activity monitoring. So anytime we have a ESB, we're going to want to monitor the performance, the tuning aspects of what's happening with the different sets of services. We're going to need some pluggable software here that's going to tie into the Enterprise Service Bus to give us some real-time analysis, visibility, alerts about what's happening with our different sets of services and our different sets of operations. So business activity monitoring is designed to give us the ability to analyze exactly what's happening. So we get a variety of different kinds of dashboards, a variety of different types of graphical, visual images, what's actually happening inside of our different applications with our Enterprise Service Bus. In addition to that, we can get a wide variety of different kinds of alerts. So if we set different kinds of thresholds, if we define different levels that we don't want our systems to go beyond, they get too high, they get too low, then we can automatically generate different kinds of alert messages out of a business activity monitoring piece of software. In addition to that, we can also have some type of ready response to kick in as soon as one of these particular alert messages is encountered. So depending on what our workbench levels happen to be, depending on what our benchmarks happen to be, we can have an automated response ready to go as soon as one of these particular threshold measures has been encountered. So we'll get the ability to look and capture and model different kinds of events across all of our different application systems. So as we're trying to create what these threshold levels are going to be, we're going to want to get some type of historical reference point on what some of these levels were repetitively over time. Want to be able to filter through some of this information, want to look for key events, want to look for certain types of spikes, want to get away from just looking at the range of information that comes through here, look for certain significant points, certain salient points that come out. So we get these different sets of dashboards that we can basically feed this information into. So one of the nice things about business activity monitoring is we have this ability to notify different users. We have this ability to automate a response. In addition to that, we can build in these notifications directly into our process models. So where do these events notifications basically come from? How do we generate these? Well, we can actually put this information directly into our process model. So as we are going through our workflows, as we are automating some particular process, we can be looking at the information, and from that we can make some valid conclusions and decisions on exactly what needs to happen next. And that's where some of these notifications and automated response pieces can come from.